Where's the camera? There. I was like, where the heck is the camera? Is it there? No. Oh my gosh. I need coffee. Good morning. Started working with a nutritionist, Jasper, and he has me eating or drinking lemon water, ice cold lemon water with a little bit of Himalayan salt every morning. Anyways, I'm gonna have this lemon and I'm gonna throw it in some water, and then I'm gonna go and do a quick little red light, because when I do red light, like if I have a headache or if I'm feeling tired and lethargic or just kind of brain fog, put some pep in my step and it fixes me, I feel. So the trick is to get the lemon juices rolling. You wanna like massage it and roll it out, roll the lemon out before you cut it, because it helps to loosen up the juice. This thing's awesome. It keeps all the seeds from getting in there. Smashed. Doesn't hurt. It definitely helps. And if you do it consistently over time, along with other protocols like healthy diet, exercise, it all adds up. Throw in a little bit of ice, a little bit of water, and a little bit of salt. Salt is minerals, and minerals are good for you. And it doesn't taste bad. I have a project. I bought these containers. This was $15 from Walmart. I think this one was $12. My issue is I have a lot of bags in my pantry. So sick of looking for things. So I'm like, if I can just put them on a shelf and have them in their containers, I'll know when I'm out of something and I'll know where it is. So I'm gonna save a lot of time looking, because you wouldn't believe it, but it really bugs me. Like, it freaking annoys me, and it kind of gets me angry when I have to look for things that I know where they are, because maybe my husband put it in the wrong spot or I threw it in the wrong spot. But most likely it was my husband, because that's what he does. All right, today's project is going to be organizing this madness. Yesterday I did finish this. I'm so excited to show you. Alrighty then. This is where all the magic happened. These are the appliances that I use the most. So food processor, I use that quite a bit. My air fryer, I use that quite a bit. And then my Instapot, I use that the most. So I keep that down there just because I use it all the freaking time. I have extra bowls here for Mila because she has a wet food and I like to make sure her bowl is clean every time. This is where all of our oats are. I did buy some random cereal just for high carb days because I freaking love it, and it is so delicious. Kashi, you've outdone yourself. This one's Cinnamon Crisp and Peanut Butter Crunch. And then I do have potatoes. I like to cook them, cool them for 12 hours, so then I eat them the next day when they're resistant starch. I have some pistachios. I like to put that on my salad. Cinnamon, put that shit on everything. Some stevia, cooking supplies, and then this is my little container for my inversion blender and my handheld blender. Garbage bags. Extra supplements like our fish oils and stuff. So these are hemp hearts. This is coconut, chia seeds, flaxseed, and this is maca root, and then goji berries, coconut, matcha, green tea. My husband eats a crap ton of sardines. So we got pre-workout there, aminos, I need to order more of these. This is a stimulant-free pre-workout. Glutamine. These are hydration packets. And then this is some mushroom powder. I add this to shakes. These are Lifetime's greens. That is what's in my cabinet. But I'm just so happy that it's now all organized.